Today, I'm showing how anyone can scrape event listings from townscript.com in minutes with Minexa.ai. No code needed, yet powerful enough for developers too. I'm now on townscript.com at the page showing all the event listings for game development in Australia. Next, open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension from your browser toolbar to get started quickly.
Click the purple button that says I'm on the right page. Minexa.ai then analyzes the entire event listings page automatically. Just like that, Minexa.ai identifies the main list of event results ready for scraping with no manual tagging needed.
Choose List Mode to extract just the event listings, or select Detail Mode to open each event's page for more data. Pick Continue for simple pages, or Advanced if clicks, inputs, or scrolls are needed before the list appears. Minexa.ai highlights the entire container holding all event listings automatically, so you know exactly what will be extracted. Now every data field is detected: event title, date, location, price, and more. Simply pick what you want to extract from the full list.
If you code, click API Request to get Python code that fits right into your workflows for full automation.
Review your settings and click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and prepare it for running. Minexa.ai detects next page buttons automatically, so your scraper can cycle through every page without extra input.
Connect Google Sheets or set up a schedule to refresh your data regularly, then click Complete Setup to finish.
The last step is to hit Run and watch Minexa.ai quickly gather all event listings with titles, dates, locations, and prices from every page. Notice every row represents an event with accurate data like event name, date, venue, ticket price, and organizer details. Missing fields remain blank to keep your dataset reliable and accurate without guesswork. Export your full dataset instantly to Excel or JSON formats with a single click to use anywhere you need. With Minexa.ai, any website like townscript.com becomes a clean, structured dataset in minutes. No coding, no selectors, no extra costs, just fast and reliable data extraction.